Today, we will reveal magicians' favorite tricks, and I'll bet you'll be surprised how simple they are. You'll see how to make a cigarette appear right in front of your eyes, how to split one card into two, how a magician fooled America's Got Talent and made salt disappear and reappear, and how to turn a coin into a card with the flick of a wrist. First, we'll break down how this magician made an elephant appear in front of everyone's eyes. We see him assembling a group of volunteers. He arranges them around two large sheets, and they do just as he says. He walks around and shows that the surrounding is clear of any boxes, trucks, or other foreign objects. The only thing in sight are the participants, the camera crew, and the magician. Now, the magician is ready for the volunteers to begin raising the screens, and he's ready to do some magic. The larger of the two sheets has now been raised. Besides the poles holding the sheet up, there are no obtrusions, and there's no funny business going on. He shows the other side of the screen so we can see what the volunteers on the other side are seeing. Nothing unusual is going on either side, besides a weird magician in a creepy mask, but I'm getting sidetracked. Let's continue. He goes on to having his assistants form a three-sided box with the canvas by raising the final side. He stands in front of the canvas, and as it is dropped, the grand reveal of the elephant takes place. Let's watch. Let's first take a look at the spectators. The key is they're all paid actors. It isn't any issue positioning them, as everything has already been rehearsed. The trick begins unfolding when the first sheet is raised. The parking lot appears to be empty, but somewhere in the background there's an elephant hiding. A Hollywood backdrop and some fake trees make the perfect hiding spot for an elephant. From close by, you can clearly tell it's a setup, but from further away, it's nearly impossible to tell. Can you see it now? The trick only works from the camera's current angle, because as soon as the canvas was raised, the elephant started marching up to his final post. In this angle, you can see the elephant approaching. From the lower angle, you can't see anything going on behind the curtain. Two of the paid actors open up the Velcro on the screen, allow the elephant to enter, close it up, and all that's left is the grand reveal. Let's take a look at a performance by Smoothini on America's Got Talent, a routine that had the judges completely hooked. At first, it doesn't look like much, just salt, nothing impressive, right? But in the hands of a magician, even the simplest object can feel impossible. He pours the sand into his fist, and then it's gone. A moment later, it pops up in his other hand. And then again, he doesn't do this only with salt. You can see him taking a drink from the judge's glass, and suddenly, it behaves like it's teleporting. It seems like real magic. Here's the real secret. You don't need years of training to pull this off, and the key is a small, hidden prop. A fake fingertip. Magicians use tools like these all the time because they're so effective. Watch closely. When Smoothini opens the shaker, the fake finger is already on his left hand. Then he slips it into his closed fist. Next, with a quick move, he transfers it to the thumb of his right hand. That's how the salt keeps appearing and disappearing. He can repeat this as many times as he likes, as long as he's got more salt to work with, and as long as no one notices the subtle switch. No magic reveal would be complete without a classic coin trick. Dynamo knows this well, and he handles coins as if he were bending the laws of physics. It looks simple enough. A coin rolls across the table, it's about to drop, and at the very last moment, Dynamo snatches it up with his finger. The coin keeps spinning as if gravity forgot to exist. Impressive skill, right? But there's more to it than just fast reflexes. If you watch carefully, you'll notice something odd about the nail on his index finger. That little detail is no accident. It's the secret to the whole illusion. Here's how it works. You actually need two coins, one normal and another that has been altered, with a small hole drilled into the edge. A thin wire runs through that hole and attaches to a fake nail, or even just a bit of double-sided tape on your finger. With that setup, the coin will stay balanced on your fingertip, spinning as long as you want. But the real challenge is the switch. At some point, Dynamo has to swap the rolling coin for the gimmicked one. To pull this off, the table is tilted slightly towards him. He spins the normal coin, lets it near the edge, and just as it's about to fall, he brings up the coin attached to his finger. Of course, his secret hand stays hidden beneath the table until the big moment. Here's a simple vanish and reappearance using a cigarette. Start by holding the cigarette between your index finger, middle finger, and thumb like this. The secret is all in the middle finger. With a small extension, you pull the cigarette back into the hand, causing it to tuck neatly out of sight. When you do this action while covering with your other hand, it looks as if the cigarette has completely vanished. At normal speed, the illusion is seamless. To make it reappear, you just reverse the move. Slide your thumb down, push the cigarette back into view, and it looks like it's materializing again. So the routine goes like this. One hand pretends to take it, shows itself empty, and then, as by magic, the cigarette returns.
The coin changes into a card.
All you need is a single coin and a card. First, practice letting the coin drop into your palm. Done smoothly, it creates an appearance that the coin has vanished. Next, position the card behind your middle finger, held flat so it's parallel to the ground. With a sharp flick of the wrist, the card pops into view. Now, just combine the two moves. As the coin disappears into your palm, the card is revealed in its place. It's a simple trick, but because you have two strong visuals happening back to back, it really sells the effect. Here's how to make money out of thin air. The magician starts with nothing but a sheet of paper and two empty hands. He shows the paper clearly, folds it up, and with the tip, a coin suddenly falls out. It's a perfect little opener for a series of coin tricks. Here's the method. Cut two identical pieces of paper. Stick them together along three sides, leaving the top edge open like a pocket. Slip a coin into that flap before the performance. Now, make a couple of simple folds. Thirds usually works best, and you're ready to go. Because the paper is joined, it looks like a single sheet. You fold it up, you tip it into your hand, and the coin drops as if it appeared out of nowhere. Here's a flashy move where one card seems to split into two. Start by holding two cards together between your thumb, index finger, and middle finger. Start with a quick snapping motion of the finger. Pull the front card back towards you. Practice until the change looks instant. The secret is keeping the angle just right so the audience can't spot the hidden card. Once you've mastered that, add a third card. Pull the back card slightly away, then perform the snap change with the other two. Done smoothly, it looks like a single card magically splits into two right before their eyes.